Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your email password in Thunderbird. This is particularly useful when you've updated your email password with your provider and need to sync that change in Thunderbird to keep everything running smoothly. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the settings icon. This icon is your gateway to all the configuration options Thunderbird offers. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be taken to the settings menu. Here, on the left side of the settings window, you need to locate and click on privacy and security. This section houses all your security-related settings, including password management, which is exactly what we need to access for this task. Now that you're in the privacy and security section, scroll down until you find the passwords area. Within this area, you'll see an option labeled Save Passwords. Click on this option to view all the stored passwords associated with your email accounts in Thunderbird. This is where all your saved credentials are kept, allowing Thunderbird to automatically log you into your email accounts. Next, you'll need to click on Show Passwords. Thunderbird takes security seriously, so a confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're sure you want to display your passwords. This is a safety measure to prevent unauthorized access. Click Yes to confirm and proceed. Once you do this, all your saved passwords will become visible in plain text. Now comes the actual password change. Look through the list of passwords and locate the one you want to change. Once you've found it, double-click on the password field itself. This will make the field editable, allowing you to type in your new password. Go ahead and input your new password carefully, making sure it matches the updated password you've set with your email provider. And that's it. Your email password in Thunderbird has now been updated. Thunderbird will use this new password the next time it tries to connect to your email server, ensuring uninterrupted access to your emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.